गोवा 7 प्रीमियर लीग फुटबॉल सर्तीत शेनवारा राती सेजा फुटबॉल क्लबान चर्चिल ब्रदर्साचेर सडन डेथार 20-19 गोलांनी जैत जोडले. फुल टायमार 2-2 ड्रॉज आशिल्ली. चर्चिलाचो निकोलास फेर्नांडीस मॅन ऑफ द मॅच. बायलाच्या ग्रुपांत युरो कनेक्शनान स्कायला स्ट्रायकर्साक 2 गोलांनी मारले. दोनूय गोल मारपी माक्रिना डायस बेस्ट प्लेयर थारले.
Of the match.
डॉन बॉस्को ओरेटेरीची पणजे 14 ते 19 माया मेरेन YMCA नायट्स नॅशनल इन्व्हिटेशनल बास्केटबॉल सर्त जातली. ही सर्त YMCA नायट्सान गोवा फुटबॉल संघटनेक बरोबर घेवन दवरल्या. प्रुडंट हे सर्तीचे मिडिया पार्टनर.
We've got top Indian teams over here on display. We've got Indian Overseas Bank, Cochin Customs, Central Railways, last year's winners, the YMCA Knights, as well as 6 women's teams from across India which will be playing in this tournament and vying for a total cash prize of around 1.5 lakh. So do come in, cheer your team, support them and enjoy some really rocking basketball.
How many teams will be participating?
There are a total of 12 teams in the men's section and 6 teams in the women's section.
Okay, where will be the match?
All the matches are being held from 4:30 onwards, 4:30 p.m. onwards at Don Bosco Oratory, Panjim.
आता पळोवया खेळा मेळावेल्यो कांय खबरो.
रायबंदराचे 2 भुरगे तुषार कांबळी आणि समीर वेर्णेकार आपली मोटरसायकल घेऊन भारताचे भोंवडेर भायर सरल्यात. 2 महिन्यांची ही भारत भोंवडी.
We are architects, so it is very important for us to learn the architectural marvels of India. So we'll be covering a place like Jaipur, where there is so rich in architecture, then Udaipur, like all the major cities, Mandu, Ujjain, everything.
डॉन बॉस्कोत वेगवेगळे समर कॅम्प चालू आसात. तातूंत आर्चरीचो एक कॅम्प जालो. तातूंत 5 वर्सां पिरायेच्या भुरग्यांनी वांटो घेतलो. डेल्टिन रॉयल कॅसिनोचेर पोकर स्पोर्ट्स लीग सर्त सुरू जाल्या. उक्तावणाक बुद्धिबळ खेळाचो ग्रँड मास्टर विश्वनाथ आनंद आशिल्लो.
About 15 years back, I started seeing many of my colleagues in chess get very excited about poker. And so I was intrigued. I started following the game a bit and I enjoyed the game because it is quite a nice spectator sport. And I hope that the PSL will establish that in India. It will show us all that poker is a very challenging mind sport. But it's also a very fun sport. Unexpected things happen. And but make no mistake, the best players win. In fact, while chess was a computer beat the best chess player about 20 years back, that happened only very recently in poker. And if poker was a game of chance, well, a computer doesn't need any special skills to play a game of chance.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.